Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I will explain to you how you can activate a promo code on TikTok Shop. So I will show you how to easily use promo codes for TikTok Shop to get the best deals. If you're looking to save some cash while shopping, this is for you. First, head to the TikTok Shop and browse through the products you want to purchase. Look out for a special offers or promotional codes that are often displayed in banners or promotions. You can also find them through influencers or on coupon websites. Then you need to add items to your cart. Once you've picked your items, go to the checkout page. Step number 3, apply the promo code. On the checkout page, you'll see an option to enter a promo code. This is where you paste or type in the coupon code you've found. Hit apply and watch your total drop. And that's it basically, guys. You've successfully used your promo code on TikTok Shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tips on saving money. Happy shopping!